Welcome back to A Chef's Guide to Chicago. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Today I want to show you a very important but often overlooked tip in the kitchen, and that's locking your cutting board into place. A slipping cutting board can lead to accidents, such as cutting yourself or dropping ingredients off of the board or onto the floor. Besides being inconvenient, it's actually dangerous and inefficient. So in order to lock your cutting board into place, all you're gonna do is take a damp towel, a paper towel, and just set it just like so. Now, if you have a cutting board that's a little concave, what you wanna do is kind of focus on that concave side. This one just seems a little bit, this one's pretty neutral, but if you have one that's kind of clearly like this, put that side down. All you're gonna do is lock it into place by securing it right in the middle and just placing the weight so that you can't move it. And now you have a nice secure cutting board. When you secure your cutting board into place, it allows you to enhance your control, tap into your fine gross motor skills between the knife and the cutting board, and you can feel it. And actually, you're much more efficient because you're focused on the task at hand versus worried about this, the cutting board slipping around. So before you start cooking next time, take just a quick moment to use and apply this tip to secure your cutting board into place, and you'll find that you're much more focused, and it allows you to really just be present with whatever you're doing at the task at hand. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time on A Chef's Guide to Chicago.